Hello everyone, Sudeep here and welcome back to my new video. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this your PC did not start correctly automatic repair loop error. Usually we get this error because of some hardware issue or some hard disk issue or a sudden power failure, or it can be new software upgrade or application as well. Whatever the reason might be, I'm gonna show you the way to fix it. If you follow all the steps I have shown on this video, one of these steps will definitely work for you. So be patient and follow all the steps. Now, without any further delay, let's get started. First step, we're gonna do some startup repair. So for that, on this window, click on advanced options. And after that, it will take you to this window. On this window, click on troubleshoot. And on this troubleshoot window, click on advanced options. After that, it will take you to this window, advanced options. On this window, click on startup repair right here. This startup repair option will scan the PC and fix if there is any error existing on the startup boot files. So once you press on that startup repair, so just select your account. I think this is my account, and if there is any password, just punch in your password in here, and after that click on continue. So as you can see, it's diagnosing our PC now. Okay, in my case it says startup repair could not repair your PC. So if this is the message you are getting as well, then don't worry. We're gonna go to next step. Again, now click on advanced options. Here click on troubleshoot again, and here click on advanced option again, and on this window click on system restore. So in my case it's showing there is no any restore backup file in here. Purpose of this step is if there is any restore point of your files before you start experiencing this error, then you can choose that file and this might solve your problem. If your PC is returning this error as well, that's okay, do not worry. We go to next step, just press on cancel. Okay, on the next step, go to troubleshoot. Here click on advanced options. On this window click on command prompt, and this will take you to the command window of the command prompt. Let me zoom this a little bit to make it clear. On the command window type C:. This command will take you to drive C. We are going to drive C because Windows is installed on drive C. Now hit dir command. This command will show you the list of files that are in drive C. Reason of putting this command is to make sure Windows is installed on drive C. Here you can see Windows folder and remaining all the folders that are in drive C. After that, type again cd space /Windows /system32 /config and hit enter. Again type capital M capital D space backup and hit enter. Again type copy space asterisk dot asterisk space backup and hit enter. Again type cd space razback razback and hit enter. Again type dir and hit enter. Again type copy space asterisk dot asterisk dot dot and hit enter. Now type exit and this will exit the command prompt. Once you come on this window, just click on continue and this will restart your computer, and after restart your computer will start working. But if in case this method did not work as well, then don't worry, there is one more method. On this method, go to command prompt as well. For that, just go to troubleshoot, advanced options and command prompt. On the command window, type CHKDSK command, CHKDSK space /F space /R space C : and hit enter. Now this command will fix if there is any issue with your hard disk, and this command will take around 10 to 20 minutes to finish, so be patient and wait. Now I'm moving to next step. Here, as you can see, the command process has completed. Let me zoom a little bit to make it clear. Now all you have to do is run one more command here. Type SFC space /scan now and hit enter. This command will look for all the broken file in your laptop and try to repair them. This will also take around like 4 to 5 minutes. Wait until this command is completed. Alright, now this has been completed. As you can see here, Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. Okay, and now all you have to do is exit. Just click on, just press exit, exit, and after that hit enter. After you exit from command prompt, you will go to this window. Here just press on continue. This will restart your PC, and after that it will start working. In worst case, if it is not working, then don't worry, there is one more method to do. The next method will be opening the PC on safe mode. For that, just go to troubleshoot again, click on advanced options. On this window, click on startup settings and click on restart. On this window, just press number 4. As you can see, number 4 means enable safe mode. Just press number 4 on your keyboard. Now it will take you to the safe mode window. Just put your sign-in password here. After that, your computer will open on safe mode. As you can see, there is a safe mode written on the 4 corners of your screen. Here you can see, here you can see, and here you can see as well. Now once you go to the safe mode, all you need to do is to go to control panel. For that, just go to search bar and type control panel. On the control panel window, go to programs and features, and here you can see list of programs that are in your computer. So purpose of opening the safe mode and opening this control panel tab is if there is any like program you have installed recently and you think like after installing that program your computer started having this issue, then all you need to do is just find out that program. You can filter the program by using this date filter, and from this list you can just find out what program you installed and that causes the issue. After you find out, just right click on it and click on uninstall. That will uninstall the program. Also, if you think like you installed some Windows update recently and that is causing the issue, then you can go here on view installed updates. After that, you can look here for the updates you just updated recently, and then click on that one and uninstall that update. So once you've done that, you can restart this safe mode. For that, either you can press Alt F4 or just go to here and restart your safe mode. After that, your normal mode will open and hopefully this will solve your issue. In worst case, if none of the steps work for you, then there is one final step to do, that is to reset your PC. For that you can go to troubleshoot, and here you can see reset option. Just click on that. After that there is two options here. You can see keep my files and remove everything. If you have important files on your PC, then you can choose on keep my files. Once you choose keep my files option, it will take you to this window here. There is two options, cloud download or local reinstall. Just click on local reinstall, and on this window just click on reset, and after that your PC will reset, and hopefully this step will work for you. If this has solved your issue, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.